So I stumbled on a little helpful feature in iTerm called broadcast to all panes. So let's just say I'm working on a project right now. I've got 3 panes opened up. Up on top, I've got my container logs. Over on the left, I was inside of a container. And then over on the right, I've got some commands that I'm running on the host. Let's just say I'm done with this project. I'd like to clean things up, and I'd like to switch to a different project. Well, instead of going through pane by pane, quitting out of a program, cleaning things up, etc., I can just type Option Command I, and in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see an icon shows up. This is in every pane, and that means if I just start typing here, I get an ls in every single pane, and I could run the command. And so that means if I want to quit out of the program up above, I can just use Control-C. And for the bottom 2 panes, it doesn't matter, nothing happens. But in the upper pane, I get disconnected from my container logs. And so now I could clear the shell with Command K, and it clears out every single pane. All right, that alone is pretty awesome. But now, let's say I need to change directories. Well, I've got this convenient Z command. And then to the Z command, I could specify the name of a different folder, like load. Now when I run that, you can see all 3 panes are switched, and I can clear out the panes, and I'm ready to go with a brand new project. So for example, I could list out all the files and all the panes, and I'll clear that again. Once I'm done, Option Command I terminates broadcasting input, and I'm back to just using a single pane.